It's Kim, and it's time for another weekly grocery haul. I went to Ramey's this morning, and I went to my discount grocery store yesterday afternoon on my lunch break. So let's just see what we picked up here. The 24 pack of water is on sale. Here lately it's been on sale every week for $1.98, so I've got 2 of them, 24 pack. And today they had these Nestle Splash, a 6-pack with the different flavors, no sugar added, no calories. So I thought we'd try these. These were $1.99 each. So I got 3 different flavors. They had the Duke's mayonnaise, the 32-ounce bottle jar for $2.50, a manager's special. So I picked me up some more Duke's mayonnaise. I love Duke's mayonnaise because it has no sugar. Their coleslaw mix was on sale today on the 2-day sale for 99 cents. Yep, 99 cents. So I got 2 bags of that. A dozen large eggs were on sale for 88 cents, limit of 2, so I got 2. The sirloin tip roast was on sale for $3.48 a pound. This is 2.3 pounds, so it was $8. I'm going to make beef jerky out of this. So this much meat, and it's going to turn into beef jerky. Even the large bags of beef jerky are like $10 and more. So, and homemade is always better, but I may do a video on that. But we're making beef jerky for our upcoming vacation, so that'll be good. And then I got my daughter the Little Debbie double chocolate donuts. These packages were $1.28, so I got her 2. It was on the 2-day special today. And that was everything I got at Ramey's. Here's my receipt. Let's see here. So with tax, it was $28.60. I thought that was not bad, especially since I got the $8 of it was meat. So I thought that was a pretty good deal, especially with what I'm going to do with it. So that'll definitely be a big money saver. And then yesterday, I went and picked up, normally I'll just go to the discount grocery store for produce, because I look for something I can make my salads with the upcoming week, like Monday through Friday for work. So I did find these. They don't go out until the 19th, and I'll just repackage them in my portable containers that I put my salads in. So it's I'll just use the green part of it, and but they were 99 cents each, so that was a good deal. Now this was the best deal here. Now, okay, I do see I will probably have to throw away the celery because they have some spots, but I don't know, but it's okay. You see that price? It was 4 for 99 cents. For this big package of the vegetables. But when I got to the checkout, the guy didn't want to do the math to figure out 4 into 99 cents. So he said, I'll just put down 10 cents. So he charged me 10 cents for all of this. So I can definitely get 10 cents worth of vegetables out of this. So that was the find this week, was 10 cents for all of this. So discount grocery store, with tax, it was $2.23. And I have my salads for the week and all these other extra veggies. So that is those are my grocery hauls, discount grocery, Ramey's, and let me go work on my meal plan and I'll be back. Y'all, I lied. I wasn't quite through. I did go to Tractor Supply and pick up a big bag, 44-pound bag of this multi-cat cat food. Tractor Supply. It is $18.49 with tax, $19.78. That is the best deal I found on cat food, and our cats love this food. Oops. So there is my cat food for the next few weeks. I also have an Ibotta haul for today. Now this does not come out of my grocery budget. I have a separate Ibotta budget. So this is what I got today. I got 3 of the olives to go. They are $3.47 each, so a total of $10.41 for those, and I will get back $1 for each of those. I got 1 package of the 3-pack of sponges. These are the sponges I like, and they are, this package is $2.78, and let's see, I'll get back 25 cents for that, but this is what I use anyway, so it's always good to get a little money back. These Go-Go Blasts, I had to buy 2 to get this rebate. They were $2.22 each, marked down at my Walmart. So $4.44 for the 2, and when I purchase 2, I get $2.49 back. So one of these would be basically free plus a little extra. Then I got the pepperoni, 2 packages of those. They were $2.93 each, so a total of $5.86. And each of those I will get back, no, not each of those. I had to buy 2 to get back $1.50, so that's a good deal right there. And then the Band-Aid, this kind, the Tough Strips Band-Aid, that was $2.98, and I got back $1. So that was a good deal. And then the Next Care, these Band-Aids I paid, or bandages, they were $2.23 each. I got 2 of them, so $4.46, and I'll get back 50 cents for each. Then I got 2 of the mousse. They were $2.97 each, so $5.94 for the 2, and I will get back $1 for each. Also with the shampoo and conditioner, both of those were $2.97 each, and I will get back $1 for each of them. Now I think this was the best deal of all. These the Quattro razor was $8.82, and it had a $5 rebate on it. So that was a good deal right there. So anyways, so basically when you take off the rebates that I'll get for these, less than $40 for all of this stuff. So that was a pretty good deal. Let's check the board for this week and see what we've got left. For this week I've got $2.23 at the discount store, $28.60 at Ramey's, $19.78, that was Tractor Supply for the cat food. So our total for this week is $40.61. I take that from what I had left last week. I had $137.26, so that still leaves me $96.65 for next weekend. Next weekend will be the 18th, and that's the last weekend because our vacation starts the next week, so no groceries at all for this week. So $96.65. All we need for that is we'll use most of that probably for food to take on our trip. So food for the road, food for our hotel room, things like that. Here is my meal plan for this week. So tonight, May 11th, I'm going to have roasted sausage and peppers. Sunday, May 12th, tomorrow for Mother's Day, I'm going to have oven chicken wings with coleslaw. And I'm using basically the method of cooking it off of this website, Keto Connect. So I use my own seasonings, but I do use the baking powder and the way I roast it in the oven or bake it in the oven. So I use that. And then Monday, May 13th, I'm going to have pan-seared steak. I have some tenderized steak in the freezer. So we're just going to pan-sear it on the stove and have some steamed vegetables. Tuesday, I'm just going to have a crustless quiche. Wednesday the 15th, we're just going to have spaghetti sauce with ground beef, and I'm going to have it with zoodles. My daughter will have it with pasta. Thursday, I will probably, I don't know, my daughter probably open a can of peas or something to go with that spaghetti for herself, but I'll just have the zoodles. So, and Thursday, May 16th, I'm going to have this keto no noodle chicken soup right here. I'll link this recipe below. It calls for cabbage sliced into strips, and since I've got the coleslaw mix, I'll just use that. So that'll work out. And then Friday is my standard just leftovers from the week, and that's our meal plan. Normally I do grill on Sundays, but it's just been rainy since Thursday, and it's not supposed to let up all weekend long, so I'm just gonna cook inside for tomorrow's meal, for Sunday's meal. So that's it. That's all my shopping hauls for today and my menu plans. See y'all later.